According to the 2018 National Electrical Code, which is adopted by the state of New Jersey, it is required to install hardwired smoke detectors in a renovation project if the renovation includes any of the following. Firstly, the installation of new electrical wiring or circuits. Secondly, the replacement of an existing electrical panel. Thirdly, the addition of new rooms or spaces. Fourthly, the conversion of a non-residential space to a residential space. This requirement is in addition to the existing requirement to install hardwired smoke detectors in all newly constructed homes and apartments. Smoke detectors, often referred to as smoke alarms, are critical life-saving devices designed to detect the presence of smoke, a primary indicator of fire. Their primary function is to provide an early warning to occupants, enabling them to evacuate the premises safely before the fire spreads or becomes life-threatening. Smoke detectors operate on one of two principal detection technologies: ionization or photoelectric sensing. Ionization smoke detectors contain a small amount of radioactive material, typically americium-241, positioned between two electrically charged plates. This radioactive source ionizes the air, creating a steady flow of current between the plates. When smoke particles enter the detector, they disrupt this current flow, triggering the alarm. Ionization detectors are generally more responsive to flaming fires that produce smaller smoke particles. Photoelectric smoke detectors, on the other hand, use a light source and a light sensor arranged in a way that light does not normally fall on the sensor. When smoke enters the detector, smoke particles scatter the light, and some of the scattered light hits the sensor, triggering the alarm. Photoelectric detectors are generally more responsive to smoldering fires that produce larger smoke particles. It is often recommended to use both types of smoke detectors or dual sensor detectors that incorporate both ionization and photoelectric technologies to provide comprehensive protection against different types of fires. Hardwired smoke detectors are connected directly to a home's electrical system, typically 120 volts alternating current, ensuring a reliable power source. This direct connection eliminates the dependence on batteries as the primary power source, reducing the risk of detector failure due to dead or missing batteries. However, to ensure functionality during power outages, hardwired smoke detectors are also equipped with battery backup. This battery backup provides continuous operation in the event of a power failure, ensuring that the detectors remain active and can alert occupants to the presence of smoke. Interconnected smoke detectors are designed to communicate with each other, so when one detector senses smoke and sounds an alarm, all interconnected detectors throughout the home also sound the alarm. This interconnectedness is particularly important in larger homes or homes with multiple levels, where a fire may start in one area and not be immediately detected in other areas. Interconnection can be achieved through hardwiring, where the detectors are physically connected with wires, or through wireless technology, where the detectors communicate wirelessly using radio frequency signals. The 2018 National Electrical Code (NEC) provides comprehensive guidelines and standards for electrical installations, including the requirements for smoke detectors. The NEC is a widely adopted code that aims to ensure electrical safety in buildings and homes. It is updated every 3 years to reflect advancements in technology and best practices. Many states and local jurisdictions adopt the NEC as their electrical code, often with local amendments. When a renovation project in New Jersey involves the installation of new electrical wiring or circuits, it triggers the requirement for hardwired smoke detectors. This is because new wiring introduces potential fire hazards, and the installation of hardwired smoke detectors provides an essential safety measure to protect occupants. The new smoke detectors must be connected to the new wiring, ensuring a reliable power source and interconnection with other smoke detectors in the home. When an existing electrical panel is replaced during a renovation project, it also triggers the requirement for hardwired smoke detectors. An electrical panel is the central distribution point for electricity in a home, and replacing it involves significant electrical work. This work can create potential fire hazards, and the installation of hardwired smoke detectors provides an added layer of safety. The new smoke detectors must be connected to the new panel, ensuring proper operation and interconnection. If a renovation project involves the addition of new rooms or spaces to our home, it triggers the requirement for hardwired smoke detectors in the new areas. New rooms and spaces introduce new potential fire hazards, and the installation of hardwired smoke detectors provides essential protection for occupants in these areas. The smoke detectors must be installed in accordance with the NEC requirements, ensuring proper placement and interconnection. When a non-residential space, such as an office or a storage room, is converted into a residential space, such as an apartment or a living area, it triggers the requirement for hardwired smoke detectors. This conversion changes the occupancy and the potential fire hazards associated with the space. The installation of hardwired smoke detectors ensures that the new residential space is adequately protected against fire. In addition to the specific renovation scenarios, the NEC also requires hardwired smoke detectors in all newly constructed homes and apartments. This requirement ensures that all new residential buildings are equipped with essential fire safety devices from the outset. The smoke detectors must be installed in accordance with the NEC requirements, including proper placement, interconnection, and power source. The NEC specifies the locations where smoke detectors must be installed. Generally, smoke detectors are required in each sleeping room, outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms, and on each level of the dwelling, including basements. These locations are strategically chosen to provide early warning of a fire, regardless of where it originates. The NEC also provides guidelines for the spacing and placement of smoke detectors. Smoke detectors should be installed on the ceiling or high on the wall as smoke rises. They should not be placed near windows, doors, or air vents, as these can interfere with their operation. The NEC also specifies the types of smoke detectors that are permitted. The code recognizes both ionization and photoelectric smoke detectors, as well as dual sensor detectors. It is important to choose smoke detectors that meet the requirements of the NEC and are listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories UL. The installation of hardwired smoke detectors must be performed by a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is essential to hire a professional who is trained and experienced in electrical installations. A qualified electrician will ensure that the smoke detectors are properly connected to the electrical system, that they are interconnected with other detectors, and that they meet all applicable code requirements. Regular testing and maintenance of smoke detectors are crucial to ensure their proper operation. Smoke detectors should be tested at least once a month by pressing the test button. If the detector does not sound an alarm, it should be replaced immediately. Smoke detectors should also be cleaned regularly to remove dust and debris that can interfere with their operation. The batteries in battery backup smoke detectors should be replaced at least once a year, or more frequently if the detector indicates a low battery. Smoke detectors have a limited lifespan, typically around 10 years. After 10 years, smoke detectors should be replaced, even if they appear to be functioning properly. This is because the sensing components in smoke detectors can degrade over time, reducing their effectiveness. The use of interconnected smoke detectors significantly enhances fire safety. When one detector senses smoke, all interconnected detectors sound an alarm, providing an immediate warning to occupants throughout the home. This is especially important in larger homes or homes with multiple levels, where a fire may start in one area and not be immediately detected in other areas. Interconnected smoke detectors provide a crucial early warning system that can save lives. The specific requirements for smoke detectors in New Jersey may vary slightly from the NEC, as the state may have adopted amendments to the code. It is important to check with the local building department or fire marshal to determine the specific requirements in your area. They can provide guidance on the types of smoke detectors that are permitted, the locations where they must be installed, and the testing and maintenance procedures that are required. Ignoring smoke detector requirements can have serious consequences. In addition to the increased risk of fire-related injuries and fatalities, non-compliance with smoke detector requirements can result in fines and penalties. Building inspectors may also require homeowners to install smoke detectors before they can obtain a certificate of occupancy or sell their home. Installing hardwired smoke detectors is a relatively simple and inexpensive way to protect your home and family from fire. By following the NEC requirements and ensuring that your smoke detectors are properly installed, tested, and maintained, you can significantly reduce the risk of fire-related injuries and fatalities. Remember that smoke detectors are an essential part of a comprehensive fire safety plan. In addition to smoke detectors, it is also important to have a fire extinguisher readily available and to develop and practice a fire escape plan. By taking these steps, you can create a safer environment for yourself and your loved ones. The information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician or building inspector to ensure that your smoke detector installation meets all applicable code requirements.